So today we are going to look at our shared read and we're going to look at the text structure. So the text structure that is used in this story and that we are going to look at throughout the next week is problem and solution. When an author uses a problem and solution text structure, the author presents a problem and then tells the solution or the steps taken to solve the problem. Signal words and phrases such as consequently, as a result, therefore, and so can help you identify the solution. So on page 103 of our Reading Writing Companion, which is our workbook, or on page 3 of the document I uploaded, so when I read Independence Declared, I realized that Thomas Jefferson's problem was to convince the undecided colonists of the need for independence. The signal words, as a result, tell me that I will read Jefferson's solution. He combined a variety of ideas to make his case for independence. So you're going to read the shared read again and look for these signal words that indicate that there is a problem and a solution being presented. So I went ahead and found a couple examples to share with you so you can find this on your own. And what I would like for you to do on a separate sheet of paper, find the problem, find the solution, and see if you can find some more that I didn't include on the next slide. So to make this table, we have one column for the problem and then the other side for the solution. So the first problem that I found was a tax on cloth that was implemented. And the solution to this problem was that women made their own cloth at home so they wouldn't have to pay that tax on cloth. So when that didn't work, they imposed a tax on tea. Now, as a result, the solution to that problem was that colonists protested this tax by dumping the imported tea into the harbor. And then, as a result of this, King George passed the Intolerable Acts. And the solution to this new problem is that colonists met at a convention to decide what to do next. So these problem and solution relationships are related throughout the whole story and is shaping what is happening. So for our grammar concept today, we are looking at concrete and abstract nouns. A concrete noun names a person, place, or thing, and it's something that you can see, hear, smell, taste, or touch, or feel. So fog, thunder, a scent, apple, and feathers. An abstract noun is an idea or a concept. You cannot see, hear, smell, taste, or feel it, but it's still there. So personality, bravery, childhood, birthday, future, and energy. So we're going to read each sentence and write whether it is a concrete or an abstract noun. So I'll do the first 3. That means you guys will do 4 through 8 on your own. So the first one we're looking at, the new factory will open in June. So factory. I feel like I could see a factory. I can see a building. I could probably see billowing smoke coming out. So this would be a concrete noun because I know I can see. Concrete. It's hard to write. The brother will look for a job there. A job. This is pretty tricky. But a job is not something that I could see, hear, smell, taste, or feel. So this would be an abstract noun. And then he has a good understanding of machinery. And again, understanding is not something that I could see, hear, smell, taste, or feel. It is an abstract noun. It is an idea. It is a concept. So, keeping this in mind, I want you to work through 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 on your own. another thing we are going to complete today is our spelling word sort. Now, we talked about our concept this yesterday, but I do want to review just so we can go over it and just so you are fully aware of what you're doing. So the first sound we have on our list is a variant vowel, and it sounds like ah. Now this sound can be spelled several ways on our list. It could be A, W. It could be A, U. It could also be O, U, G, H. So when you go through your list, I want you to look for these sounds. There is going to be a Schoology assignment for you to complete where you're going to sort out these words. So the next one we're looking at are diphthongs. And diphthongs are vowels that slide together. So when we listen to it, you can hear the one sound is gliding into the next. So we have oi, and we also have ow. So oi can be spelled O-I or O-Y. And ow could be spelled O-U or O-W. So on the Schoology assignment, you're going to have your word, and you're going to decide what sound and what spelling pattern it follows. So the first word on my list is joint, joint. So I hear the oi sound, and I know it is spelled O-I. So this is going to be the diphthong oi, spelled oi, or O-I. So that's right there. So you are going to complete the Schoology assignment, and as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. So going through the list, so this is the one for list 1, list 3, and then list 2.